So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Claude AI today. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here in the Cloud website, cloudai.login. So here you can just continue with Google and then basically it'll redirect you to a new one. So just sign in with your Gmail, email, and then press continue. And then from there it will have to verify your number. Enter your number, they will send your verification, enter the verification, and you're in Cloud AI. It's just that simple. So there's no fancy startups required here, so it's just like that. So here you can understand and work with images in cloud. So it's just like ChatGPT as requested, of course. So it's just like ChatGPT, like I said. So let's say, what is the date from today if I added 100 or 280 days? So there you go. It's just like ChatGPT. So there you go. It's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.